If you're wondering what? Me too. So during filming, my SD card crashed. Yeah, I also have never heard of an SD card crashing, girl. Yeah, turns out it can happen and did. I lost the rest of my footage, and I'm not gonna lie, as I'm sitting here recording this, I don't know if I even have footage.
So you might just be seeing this, okay? Or this might be coming in at the end where I think I've lost footage, or this is the entire video and we're just starting all over, and therefore you have no idea what I'm even talking about because you never even saw what I did first, right? So just in case.
We were organizing my personal makeup kit that I keep in my bathroom that is stored in these two drawers. And I don't even have a before picture, but it was, let's still speak it that there's footage that we can at least have the beginning of this process because we're at the end. I finished it. We were actually 90% done when it crashed. So I finished it and I want to show you guys what's left in these drawers. Okay, so let me get a new angle so you can see what we have going on here. Okay, so these are our two completed drawers. They're two separate ones that are stacking one on top of the other. First stack, and this is lips and eyes. So you see my collection of lipsticks, mostly red, if I'm being very honest with you, mostly red. And then I broke down my eyes. You guys know I'm not much of an eyeshadow wearer personally, but I do like liquid and cream shadows. So, oh, you know what? I'm realizing I forgot to do something. After I completed this, I got some packages in from Armani Beauty and they sent me some more items and I was like, oh, this is perfect. So these actually just came in. I wanted to look at the colors just to see if there's anything that we wanted to add. This is currently what I have from Armani. I just have two. Now there might be a dupe. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna not keep this because this is like a white shimmer and the one that I have already is like an ivory, you know, but we will add these two. Yeah, so this is that drawer. I have eye drops and sharpener in the back, and I did organize the items inside with these little clear drawer inserts, and I will link everything in the description. I'm kind of just re-explaining because this may either be a photo. Oh, that hurts. So you can see very minimal and intentional, as the girls like to say. So let me walk you through because this is just easier. So for base, I have Dior Backstage and my Chantecaille foundation. My concealers, Dior and Victoria Beckham and Clé de Peau. Corrector, Charlotte Tilbury. You guys know I wear that a lot. And then these are two concealer pencils from Lisa Eldridge. This fits sideways. I have been trying the Merit tinted sunscreen. It's been fine, so I'm just gonna continue with it. Something that I didn't have was good blush and bronzer situation, so I added in my Chanel, and I shopped Sephora. I didn't buy anything new outside of like these that just came in, and those are PR. But you know, when you try something once, oh my God, I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Okay. Okay, blushes, Armani Beauty. I have been really liking these a lot. My most favorite blush, which is almost empty, the Chanel Le Beige Water Fresh in nude pink. Highlighter is Westman Atelier Pote Peach and Dior highlighters and powder, Pat McGrath and Jouer. And that is it. Not included obviously are my brushes. They sit in a brush holder, and maybe what I'll do when I put this up back into my bathroom, these really sharp corners. When I put this back into my bathroom, I'll show you guys the way it's set up. And then if you guys are interested in me maybe going through these in more details, like if you want specific colors and shades and all of those things, and maybe what I'll do too is when I put it together in my bathroom where I actually keep everything, I'll just do like a little insert clip that we can put here right now in this very moment. So you can see how it's set up and see how my brushes and stuff are set up. Is this whole thing out of focus? Like, I understand product review mode, but if I'm not holding up a product, focus on the eyes. All right, thank you for watching. I certainly hope that what you were able to watch is a full video, but if not, thank you for watching this 5-minute clip, because even if it's only this and the smashing of a hole into my finger, we're gonna post it. And that's what we're gonna look at. All right, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and click subscribe. I am hoping to hit 4K followers, 4K subscribers very soon. So I appreciate you joining me here in this little YouTube community. And if you're new, come on in. It's nice, a little emotional. I'm a Cancer. Welcome, nice to meet you. All right guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.